link in bio. It's a beautiful day. It's very chilly, but it's a beautiful day. I've got some a handful of things I want to share with you guys today, but let's start off first with the cold start. I haven't plugged this. Usually I plug this truck in before I turn the key and it gets loud. I usually plug this truck in every single day in the winter, and I mean, guys crack on me both ways. I plug it in, dude, you're a wuss, why are you plugging in your truck? Do a real cold start every morning. And then I don't plug it in, then there's guys, why don't you plug in the truck? That's the point of a, you know, block heater, is, you know, whatever. I'm just gonna cold start it. I just cycled the grid heater once. Pop the clutch, of course. 1/4 throttle, because that's what the visor suggests. Ooh, she's smoky. She's smoky. Let's get this going here. That's probably the roughest cold start I've ever had on this thing. That was so rough. Holy crow. What is up, I'm Proud Crowd? Hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing today. First off, I want to go through and I want to make a rundown of what's going to be happening today and some new updates for you guys that you guys should be pretty stoked about. Okay, so first off, we are running to the post office. I got to ship out some more merch right over there. Got to go ship out some more hats, decals, stuff like that. And then we're going to run over to a Honda dealer in our local town. Just happen to have one really close by. This happens to work out perfect. Probably not going to take the camera in there for privacy reasons to the dealership. I haven't talked to him about it or anything, and I don't want to just go taking my camera flashing around a shop, you know, for privacy reasons, safety reasons, stuff like that. After that, I might come back here and I'm gonna assemble something. I think every shop, if you work on your trucks at all, you should probably have. It's one of those key things. It's a life-changing type of thing if you work on your trucks. If you work on your trucks, you definitely want to have one of these things, and we will get to that a little bit later on in the video here. And also, one other thing I want to bring up, the ATV thing from yesterday, okay? Lots and lots of people were so hyped up about it. They're like, heck yeah, do an ATV build, that would be sweet. And like I said, it would not take away from the channel. It's not going to change the fact that my truck's going to be launching here right after we finish up the Nasty Red. I'm going to be launching my build, and we're going to be working on that. All this stuff is still going to happen, okay? All the plans that I've been telling you about for getting my truck done, the Nasty Red, all that stuff's still happening. None of that's changing at all. So I just don't want people to think like, oh, so you're going to do an ATV and then you're ditching the trucks. Like, it's not a trade-off at all. All it would be is an add-on, so that 3 to 5 videos a month, when I have content that might be a little bit slower, I can do ATV stuff, especially since spring and summer's coming up. I can do ATV project and, you know, mudding stuff on the days that it might be slower for truck content. So that's all it would be, okay? But I am going to keep my channel still 90% plus all truck content. That's still going to be the focus. That's still going to be the main gig. That's what we're going to keep on doing. It would just be kind of like a side thing as the ATV thing for the days that I want to just go out and have some fun on the ATV and just take a GoPro and, you know, vlog that. So that's the deal with that. And then also, a fan is sending in 4th gen Laramie, I believe it's Laramie leather seats for my truck. Leather 4th gen seats for the truck. I am so excited. Like I was telling you, I wanted to get KingRanch interior, but it's hard to find, you know what I mean? Like, you know, for the Dodge stuff, it's hard to find KingRanch looking seats, aka, you know, Laramie brown leather seats for these trucks. They're just so hard to find, so it's just kind of one of those deals. I was like, I'll just get KingRanch because they're everywhere, you know what I mean? They're expensive, but they're available. And this guy reached out to me, he's like, dude, he's like, if you want leather seats, he's like, I got 4th gen seats you can have. First I'm like, have? I'm like, how much you want for them? He's like, dude, he's like, if you want them, they're yours. I was like, you want me to pay for shipping? He's like, no. He's like, I'll just send them to you. I was like, holy smokes. You know, you guys sometimes just flipping amaze me. I'm gonna give you, dude, a huge shout out when those seats get in. Yeah, just thank you so much. You guys have no idea how much some of this stuff means to me. Like, it might just seem like, you know, whatever, it's just another day, but it's like this kind of stuff, it just amazes me that there's people out there that are that generous and that kind, you know what I mean? So you guys give back to me every single day, whether whether it's through the support of following me on my social media and liking my stuff, leaving good comments, and watching the videos. And I want to try to give back to you guys as much as I can as well. I'm always thinking about you guys and how I can give back, and so that stuff's all in the works. Yeah, we're gonna have black Laramie, I think it's Laramie leather interior. If it's not, I'm gonna feel kind of stupid, but we're gonna have a black leather 4th gen seats in this truck. He's also sending, which I had no idea, he's also sending a 4th gen set of seats for the nasty red, so he can have 4th gen interior as well. However, they're not leather, they're cloth, but still it's going to be a good upgrade for that truck as well. And just a huge shout out to you, dude. Thank you so much. Now let's get over to the post office and stuff and get this stuff all done. Might go look at an ATV, I'll let you know how that goes. And then afterwards we're going to get back to the shop, and we got a new couple of items that you guys are going to be super hyped up to see, and I know I am. So also, they're not here yet, but the wheels and tires for Nasty Red should either be showing up today or tomorrow. So hold tight. Things are about to get really lit here on the channel, so stay tuned. Yo guys, I just went by the Honda ATV dealer and I'm so flipping pumped. If you guys want to keep up with kind of the small stuff like that goes on behind the scenes, add me on Snapchat. That's where I post the pictures of what I'm doing throughout my day, stuff that you might not get to see on the videos and on the daily uploads. A lot of stuff goes down on Snapchat. Anyways, we're out in the barn now. I wanted to show you some things that we got for the trucks and some stuff that's very important, okay? And I will try to leave links to all this stuff in the description below if you guys want to, you know, pick it up yourself. If you don't, then whatever, but you know, it's cool stuff. Here's a light that's adjustable that mounts up to the hood itself, okay? So you can mount it up over your hood and have all that light right there where you're gonna want it. So that's all mounted up. Dad hooked that up today. He's got this new, I don't know what you want to call this, work pad sort of thing for the trucks, that when you're leaning over it and stuff, and you know, whatever, you're not, you know, scratching up your fenders or scratching up, you know, the front of the truck, you know, if you want to drape it over a side fender, or, you know, whatever you want to do. Just keeps you, your jeans, your knees from hitting up on the stuff, or you know, whatever. Just kind of just that little barrier, you know. So that stuff's cool. And then we got a Ford mat, since you know we're always working on Fords out here. No, we got some Ford mat. Apparently, my dad wanted that, so we could use it when we're working on the Dodges. We've also got this tire step, which is supposed to basically drape over the tire so that you can stand on that tire when you're working on your vehicle. We've also got a rear diff. We've got the rear diff plate there for the Nasty Red as well. I'm not sure what's in that box, probably nothing. But then we've got the big box. Okay, we've got the big box now. Any guesses? Any guesses what that box contains? Okay, take your guesses down below. I'm going to open it up right now and assemble it, and you will very soon. Yes, you guys have guessed it. It is a topside creeper to work on the trucks. And this thing should get to be tall enough to work on even like the 1st gen, which is quite a bit higher. I mean, 10, 12 inches higher. And I think that this might be about the max height of a truck, for example, the 1st gen, that you can use the topside creeper on. At least this version. I don't know if they make a different version, like a more heavy duty version for higher up stuff like that. But, you know, for safety and stability reasons, this is perfect for our application, because, like, our trucks, you know, we're not doing crazy, jacked up monster trucks type of deal. Like, we're doing, like, at the most 4-inch lifts typically on a truck, which is, you know, fine for us, which is about the height of the 6.7. But, guys, look at that. Topside creeper, man. That's awesome. A lot of you guys might already have these. Some of you guys may have never seen one before. It's a topside creeper. They make working on trucks a lot easier if you can't tell. So like when you're doing head studs, injectors, pretty much anything over the engine bay, like anything, you know, on the engine like that, to where you want to be top, you know, front and center, so to speak. to be able to work on stuff. And it makes it a lot easier versus trying to, you know, stabilize on a bumper or stand on a bucket that knocks out from under you or something stupid. This was the big part for the channel, or upgrade for the garage, I guess you could say. Topside creeper, that's the new big thing. Title and thumbnail and all that stuff. It was for that guy right there. It might seem like a small thing to some people, but that's a huge, huge deal. One more thing I wanted to mention. On my Snapchat, like I had already said, I posted a picture of the ATV that I went and looked at. I actually looked at a couple ATVs, but I've got my eye on one in particular. I'm pretty excited about it. Now, I still was not planning on buying one right now, just because I wasn't planning on buying one until like next month possibly. A lot of people on my Snapchat were like, dude, don't wait, go buy one right now, buy one right now. But I didn't really want to go buy one right now. However, I'll make an exception, okay? Don't participate if you feel like this is not your thing, okay? If you don't want to be a part of this, you don't have to feel like you have to be a part of this, okay? This is just for the people that are true Loud and Proud fans. They love the channel. They love what's going on. They believe in what's happening and what's going to be happening here in the very near future with giving back trucks, giving away an ATV, you know, stuff like that, giving away cash, giving stuff back to people. But I told everybody on my Snapchat, I said, well, I wasn't planning on buying an ATV right away. I was planning on waiting another month or so. I just didn't really think about buying one right now. But I said, if we can sell the last 40 decals I have in inventory, which we've sold more than 40 in a day many, many times, okay, I will go and I will put money down on that four-wheeler and bring it home and do a reveal here. So if you guys, first off, if you didn't see it, add me on Snapchat. I've said that a handful of times now. And if you want to participate, if you guys really want me to get this ATV and maybe you haven't picked up a decal yet and you're planning on doing it anyways, hey, if you do it this week and we sell 40 by the end of the week, which should be a fairly easy goal to meet, I will go and I will buy an ATV. And then when I'm done with it, I will probably do a giveaway with it. So if you guys are down for that, link in description. Go pick yourself up a decal. They're only 10 bucks. Sweet decals, and let me just show you. Good quality, look really good, crisp, clean, not messed up looking. I mean, they're just good, solid, clean decals. We don't have any red ones in stock right now, but we do have white, and that's what me and my dad have been rocking on all the trucks. Seriously, you guys blew me away last week. I stocked up, and within 3 days, most of them were gone. So, I mean, you guys just absolutely killed it. Can we sell the last 40, which already a handful sold? As soon as I posted this on Snapchat, the challenge, if we can sell 40 by the end of the week, I'll go buy an ATV. Right now, you guys have already went and started buying them up. So there's not going to be a ton left to sell. If you guys want to grab one before they're gone. Then you got to wait until I stock back up, which could be a few weeks. But Team Loud and Proud, that's what's happening. Go buy them. If we can sell the last 40 by the end of the week, I will go buy an ATV. Anyways, guys, I will leave a link down to the light up there, the topside creeper, and that, I don't know, I'm just going to call it this leather skirt, I guess you could say, to drape over your truck when you're working on it. Just so you don't scratch anything or mess anything up. I will leave links to all these products in the description below, so you guys can go pick up some of these shop must-haves for yourself. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff on this truck this weekend. We're going to be doing push rods, head studs, delivery valves, possibly governor springs. We got a lot of stuff that we're about to do on this truck, and it's going to look nasty. And this truck, as soon as it's wrapped up, we're going to be doing some custom interior stuff on my truck, on this truck, and then we're also going to be launching the dually build, which is going to be a bunch of horsepower stuff coming in as well, and wheels and tires and stuff of that nature. So that build's going to be launching very soon. Everybody's wanting all these trucks built, and trust me, we're trying to get it done. I'm trying to make sure everything's lined up and good to go, and we can get it done in a way that makes the most sense for us and for the channel as well. So thank you guys so much. If you enjoyed that, smash that like button, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you are new. Go pick yourself up a decal. Think about it. Only 40 people. I know at least 10,000 people are going to see this video. Only 40 people, actually less than 40, because some of them are already starting to sell. But less than 40 people will go buy a decal, and I will go buy an ATV and start making ATV content as well. So thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a